Hello and welcome to the video. Before we get started, if you'd like to provide input on future content and get our weekly newsletter, click on our survey. The link will be below. We also have a report on Ethereum 2, along with a bonus report on why you should learn Solidity now. Again, the link will be below. Now on to the video, and thank you. Continuing what we've been looking at Arloader and walk through an example that they provided. The gentleman who wrote Arloader provided this example, and let me see where the right page. No, this is the right page. This is the basically a program, a Rust program that uploads an NFT. It actually generates a file and then uploads it with metadata and so on. So the first thing it's going to do, it has to have a key path. Either let's see, Solana or Arweave, and actually I think so. It starts with trying to get these key paths, the Weave key path, Solana key path, and if it equals the if it equals the AR key path, then it does that. Otherwise, it's gonna say no, it needs either one or the other. So this is so if it doesn't have a Solana path, then it's gonna complain. It needs one or either an AR key pair or a Solana key pair. And those are those JSON files that are associated with your wallet, I believe. So now what it's going to do, it is going to generate an NF file set. This is where you're going to create what's going to be uploaded. And file setup is a big, long function that generates an image, generates metadata, and puts it in something called tempter, which is a path buffer. And then it has that. This is the generate image here, so it's generating who knows what. And add text. This is probably, let's see where add text is. Oh, I'm not getting cancel. Here we go. So yeah, after it generates the image, it adds text. And let's see. So it calls so this is function generate image. It generates some kind of file, and then it adds text, and then it saves it out. So that's where you generate image, and then it has to upload it. So it has the directory, the JSON with name, description, attributes, and so on. Let me see now. This is all part of the file setup. When it has everything it needs, then what it's going to do is it is going to actually call command upload an NFTs. So that has Arweave, and it formats the file. This is for payment, this kind of stuff. And let's see, so, and then you have your key path. This is a sole key path. I'm wondering when it, So this is if true. So this is true all the time because it just says true. Now I'm not sure why it's using the sol key path unless that's where it ends up putting it. But what it's going to do is it's going to upload. Well, that's interesting. Maybe it's including it. I'm not seeing. So let me look at. This is why I pulled up. So you have it. It does. This method does require a sol key pair path. So I guess if it is using sol, then it has it. Then it has it if it needs it. Here is the actual method that is used. So we can look and see where this is. Sol. Didn't just grab it. What? And so it is. So it's from key pair. And so it's doing bundle. It uses it in bundles with sol, but not. So you have two separate bundles that it calls. One that you're using sol, and one if you're not. And let me see. So what this does, it is going to upload it's going to upload, let me see, I think it may be 4 things. So it's going to upload the bundle, then it's going to upload a manifest, and then then it's going to upload metadata. So here's your metadata, your manifest, and your actual object, that your actual NFT. So this is a fairly involved program, but it would be really cool to, and this is from the, just to show you, this is from the actual library, the actual crate. As you can see, Arloader. This is from their GitHub, and they have all the information. So they tell you how to install it in Rust, and how this is used. It looks, well, see this example, it looks like you can actually use it kind of as a command line as well. Let's see what we got here. Wallet example. Let's see something. Command line application, yeah, and client files uploading. So you can actually use the crate, or you can use their language NFT. So this is very interesting. So I'm going to see if I can try to get that that item work. You know, this example here. Whoop, wrong page. This example here working, because that would be pretty cool if we can get this thing going and see what happens. Because this gives you this is a very detailed application, and once you understand this, you can apply it all over the place for this sort of thing, to working on Arweave. And again, this library is designed to let you use either Sol or to use AR. I think is whatever they call their token. So anyway, hopefully this has been interesting. If you have any questions, and I'm sure we're going to get a lot more when I try to see if I can get this thing going, and it may wait till the weekend. But I definitely want to see if I can get this this guy to run. And you know, the other thing is to actually install this and play with the Arloader command line. So again, hopefully this has been helpful and interesting. And thank you for watching, and I will speak to you next time. Take care.